Wow,
Like my frog?
I'm so mad. What the kurbağa?
Froggy.
Wak.
You like him?
You can try it if you want. Bet your ass gonna make it home. Ay, we get that call, you know it's gonna blink. I'm riding rack car stuff, chill. Can't play with us, cause we the men. It said they can't run they cut. Couple little boys, feel bitch, was up in the street, but not in the street. Seems like Glock and men, that's death. Call my dog from the fact they sick. After third crazy, so bitch. Rub me wrong, and bitch on flick. He say, liver, you so good. I'm sorry, big low. Different days for different things. Ain't nothing worse than a nigga trick. He say he real, but I don't feel him. Talk on block, and we don't kill him. Say he turned, we know the real. You not gonna feel it, just to feel it. That nigga dead, that's what you feel, dude. DC beat the set.
Looked up. He was like, boy, you look just like the frog, a zero.
Really? That's okay. You're like a child.
Fucking quiz. Fucking quiz. Oh! Oh! Yes! Save me from Froggy, hit the part, mate! Hit the part! Save me from the quiz, mate. Save me from this! Oh!
Give it to him.
Oh.
You like my... Oh, okay.
Great. So later's not tomorrow. Hi.
Do you guys think we look alike?
Niggas all up in my convo and shit. Poquito.
Poquito?
Anyways, I love you. Drive safe, okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
Of course. What's his name?
His name's Dimple. Dimple.
Dimple? How old is he?
I actually don't know because I got him a couple of days ago. Um, but like he's a juvenile right now, so I would assume he's like a couple weeks.
Aww.
Yeah,
He's cute.
he's a baby. Thank you, thank you. He's been rambunctious. I've been trying to show him people on here, and he's just like jumping on my screen and stuff. So
Does he have a like a pool?
yeah, he's got like a little cage right here.
Oh yeah, that's tight.
But anyways, you guys have a good evening. Okay.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Let's see, you don't got it like me.
You guys don't
Yo, I
gotta
would
like
beat
me.
that fucking frog.
What's up? You like my frog? No, no one likes the frog. So much air. Don't jump. Don't escape. Don't escape. Do not like the turtleneck. Hey, like my frog? Mm-hmm.
It's real.
Yeah, that's real.
Let me see. Come closer. This shit look crazy. Yeah, I like it. It like
Like
some
it.
candy.
Give him some
It
candy.
look eatable.
Give him some. Yes. Blunt rotation. Frog in the blunt rotation. You having a good night?
Yeah. What about you?
Nice. It's been good, you know, just hanging out with my buddy.
I'm just in the car chilling, smoking, relaxing.
That's what's up. That's what's up. Look, he's giving you a side eye.
Why he don't like me?
Look at that side eye.
What that mean?
Oh,
How old is you?
um, I what's up, bro?
Jesus, nigga.
Like, have I seen you before?